Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your phone or router supports 5G bands and that your carrier has provisioned 5G service for your account. Once done, backup settings and any custom APN or VPN profiles. You may need them after a reset. Make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi. Download the carrier OTA or firmware package now and place it in a known folder so you can run the upgrade without interruptions. You now install the downloaded firmware. Follow the vendor sequence exactly and verify the checksum before flashing to avoid corrupt installs. Once installed, change network preference to 5G or 5G/auto and select the recommended NR bands. This ensures your device will register on the right spectrum. Re-enter APN values if they cleared and reboot the device twice, once after install. Once after applying network settings, to let the modem and radio layers negotiate with the tower properly. You finish by validating a 5G connection. Look for the 5G icon, confirm carrier status in settings, and run a speed test to compare Mbps versus 4G. If you don't get 5G, toggle airplane mode, remove and reinsert the SIM, and confirm the carrier has enabled 5G provisioning for your line. Also check for any band blocking in device settings. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, restore your backup, and monitor battery and thermal behavior closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.